I know just pretty much everything about intake and insurance, but maybe you could tell our
Absolutely.
audience what intake is I'm sure there are layers of complexity here that you can help us unpack.
Yeah, so I think the first thing I would mention is it looks different. There's not one standard submission process, right? And it varies by product line. So your experience. I'll talk about it from the insurance carrier side, but even as a consumer, your experience if you're personally searching for insurance, looking to buy insurance, is going to differ from a small business trying to buy insurance.
Okay.
As well as large corporations looking to buy insurance. And those processes are all different. On the personal line side, right, you've seen and all the big names, advertise this all the time. It's so easy to get a quote, right? Because you just go online,
Yeah.
right? Most
Right.
people are buying their home and auto insurance online. So that's one form of intake where there's already a digital front end that the carriers have, and all of that information uh, theoretically is feeding directly into a database of some sort where those fields are already mapped.